Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create a multiple desktop in Windows 10. So guys, now let's begin. So guys, if you want to make a multiple desktop in Windows 10, then there are two ways. So first way is, first you need to go to task view. Then after going to task view, then here you can see this new, so guys, here you can see this button, so you have to click on this. Now after clicking on this, you can see if you want to close all the decks, then you can click here, so like this you can create a multiple desktop. Now second way is you need to click on window key, then control, then D. So guys, now here you can see now multiple desktop is creating. Like this you can create a multiple desktop. So now let's get to task viewer. Then here you can see multiple desktop. Now from here you can close the desktop. So so guys, second way is to close the desktop is this. Click on window key, then control, then F4. So guys, now all the desktop is closing. Now guys, that is for now. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.